Wasim, ఏడ చేస్తావు bro?
Hi, my name is Deepti. My student ID is 210448879. The report has been presented the CSR activities that are used by the Akzo Nobel to their token to increase the competitive advantages in the market. The growth strategies as well as the SWOT and test analysis of the company will be delivered through this presentation to briefly introduce the CSR matters with the strategic recommendations for further development. This presentation is going to derive the CSR strategies actively managed by the company. The implementations of the CSR activities such as environmental sustainability and social works would be described. The comparative analysis and other similar companies of the Akzo Nobel would be delivered through this presentation. Recommended sustainable strategies would help this company to enhance its structure. Overview. Overview of the sustainable consumption. Sustainable consumption with business activities is the main motto. The company has earned more than 9,500 euros in last year by working on the painting and coating. Almost 16% of return on investment has been identified to be made by this company by performing sustainable operations.
Hi, my name is Hema. My student ID is 2104323. Here I'm about to explain the CSR strategy of Akzo Nobel company. So CSR strategy is corporate social responsibilities. For every corporate company, it is the same. So Akzo Nobel manages corporate social responsibilities with the incorporation of effective strategies. So CSR Akzo Nobel main motto is preserving environmental sustainability is one of the vital CSR strategy. One of the most strategic performances of the company is to put the community first and prioritize its decisions before setting up viable operations. And the ESG strategy, ESG means environmental, social, and governance structure of the organization is benefiting their sustainability goals. And the main motto in the CSR strategies of the Akzo Nobel is people, planet, and paint. And moving to the next slide here, competitive advantage of Akzo Nobel company in the UK market. So here, Akzo Nobel is integrated business structure in the UK market by supporting unique business method. Through the integration of the aerospace coating and the pioneer behavior is in satisfying the cultural value of the customers in the UK, Akzo Nobel has managed to develop betterment in the performance growth, uniqueness and innovation accordingly with the changes in demand of customers. The company has emerged its business shape in the UK market. Here in the picture says UK sustainability achievements. So the percentages of describing the percentage of markets of the Akzo Nobel company present in the UK markets. So the company is emerging brand image in the UK with the productive performance growth and inclusion of expert in the operations. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Wasim, student ID 200599167. Today I'm going to be explain about strength and the weakness of this company. As we see, there is a lot of strength. We can see in the image, like a huge growth in the market size, wide production of range, engage with the worldwide, and also several strength has been identified in this company. The company is increasing its image with the larger of dedication, maintenance of the business design, and also the manpower and creative are the largest power of the organization. They change the demand of the customer to what the customer want, and also choice weakening company and obtain activities. And coming to the next slide, we can see the opportunities. We can see the opportunities obtained by the company are overpowering the threats. And also therefore it can be said that company has a broad way of development with forwarding movement, and also the most attractive factor about the company is sustainable development, which is opportunity with a different market to grow globally. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kirti with the student ID 2103195. So today I'm going to explain pestle analysis. economic factor is negatively affecting the business structure of Akzo Nobel. The company is getting politically influenced with the global support from a different country governments. So the changing perception of people about the painting and coating buildings and other material is highly dependent on the innovation and the sustainability of the paint industry. So next slide. So as innovation is one of the key operations for the suitable management and CSR development criterion, technologically advancement worldwide is supporting innovation. So moreover, the company can positively increase its social image through the proper regulations of the business with the environmental legislation provided by its parent company. Uh, Climate changes hamper its business anyway. Next slide. Thank you.
My name is Kiran. My student ID is 21042239. I'm going to present about the comparative analysis of Asco Noble. So comparative analysis refers to the comparison between two or more data sets. The comparative analysis of CSR between Asco Noble and Dulux is highly similar. Both companies believe in innovation. Both of the organizations are active in creating positive social impact. Their operational variations with the UK Dulux and Netherlands Asco Noble are set and competitive advantages globally. As you can see, the differences in the tableau form. And coming to the next slide, the comparative analysis CSR between the CSR activities of Asian Paints are highly influential for other part of companies worldwide. The largest, Asian Paints donate huge amount of their profit to the poor people. More than this, company creates a zero emission carbon emission to intensify environmental sustainability, whereas Asco is still working on the reduction of the carbon emission. The comparisons of Asco with Asian Paints, you can see the graph over there. The CSR amount they're donating every year by the Asian Paints. Coming to the next slide. Comparative answers of Asco with the PPG industries. PPG and Asco are getting competitive advantage in the market through the implication of stakeholder engagement in the business. Philanthropical expressions are actively opted for the companies in their own way. However, Asco is found to prioritize environmental sustainability more than PPG. Next, coming to the next slide. All the organizations are noticed to have a similar aims, developing environmental sustainability with the incorporation of CSR strategies. Asian Paints has been found to manage its CSR activities more effectively than others. The most potential position in the global market is by the Asian Paints. CSR activities of the Asco Nobel are also very influential to move forward, but not as good as the Asian Paints. PPG and Dulux are neutral with the CSR activities and the impact. Thank you. Coming to the next slide. Unmute, please.
Hi, here I'm explaining about the development of Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we hear you.
Yeah, here I'm explaining about the development. In accordance with the triple bottom line theory, the company should enhance its profitability by managing people and the planet. The operational structure must be beneficial for the engagement of the society. The community should be kept attached to the business by sustaining the environment with the reduction of carbon emissions as well as the suspectable water consumptions. Thank you.
Coming to the strategic recommendations, Akzo Nobel must include the CSR effectiveness by increasing transparency in the reporting structure. The strategic integration of technological production would be influential factor for increasing the acceptability of their paints in UK. The company can digitally enhance its services to manage the global communication between the clients. Conclusion on the strategic recommendations. Collaboration with aerospace industries to involve the coating operations to show more reliable methods in the CSR management. The activities regarding this incorporation of the philanthropical activities for needy people and to be encouraged. And they also must develop the CSR by opting their production with establishment of a sustainable goal framework.
Next slide.
Question and answers.
And we are also having two questions. First question is, can Akzo improve its CSR strategy?
Sorry for interrupting, but there is a conclusion. Let Kirti complete this, and then after that, we are going to do the question and answers, okay?
Yes, yes. So we are concluding by telling the international brand like Akzo Nobel has been identified to increase its profitability through the innovation and the social engagement. So the activity structure of the company is influentially in making it experiential. So it can be concluded that with the help of CSR activities, the stakeholders are also engaged with the strategic development of their decision making ability. Thank you. So here are the questions. So can Akzo improve its CSR and its strategy?
Akzo can improve the CSR strategy by making the reports very transparency in the structure, and they should be a zero. They should be working on the zero carbon emission, and the company can digitally enhance its service system to manage global communication with the potential clients.
So the second question is, which competitor has the better CSR strategy and why?
I feel Asian Paints as is a best competitor for any other companies in the world, because Asian Paints are they the most of the profit are donated to the poor people, and the second thing, they're zero carbon emission company, very very sustainable to the environment. And the next thing, Asian Paints CSR is divided into like four to five parts, like education, health and hygiene, water, enhancing the vocational skills, and zero carbon emission. In education, Asian Paints has started a program called Gyan Shakti, where they provide education for the poor people. People who can't afford the education. And next, they provide the employability on a program named called Naya Seva. They give employability to the people to the students, to the young people, and not only the young people, the people who are need of job. And health and hygiene, Asian Paints contact the health camps for the people, and they tell about the hygiene to the remote areas where people are not aware of the hygiene and all. And they provide water. They provide free water to the remote areas where there is no supply of the water. And so these are these CSR activities are the most which can be a best competitor for any other companies in the world. So thank you.